Zoey the Storyteller.puppet. We wish you
a happy World Puppetry Day!
Hello, wonderful friends and puppeteers. Today is a very special day. It's World Puppetry Day, a day to celebrate the magic of puppets and the stories they bring to life. Whether you are a puppet master or just a fan of puppet shows, today is your day. Let's use puppetry to spread the word about protecting our planet. We must act for a greener world. Keep creating, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep puppeteering. From all of us here, happy World Puppetry Day!